Hello everyone, this is Manoj and welcome back to the React.js series. In this video, we will be talking about React refs. If you remember, in one of our previous videos, we have covered our form handling and we have seen how we can interact the input elements by binding it to the handler and that updates its value through state. Alright. However, refs also allow us to access DOM nodes directly within React. So in this example, we will use a ref to focus a text input, and to do this we will perform three steps. So let's create a component, refs component.js, import react from react, and class refs component, extends react.component, and constructor props super props, and render. In the render we'll use our return method and we will return a simple input field. So input type text, save. All right. So now we'll start our steps. So the first step is to create the ref. So this dot input ref. So that is up to you. Whatever you want to give a name of your ref, you can give. And react dot create ref. Second step is we need to bind this ref with an element. So here, second step. So in this input, we have to bind it. So we have a property ref and this dot input ref. So that is the second step. Third step is we have to focus our input element whenever our component is rendered to the DOM. All right. How we can do that? We have a component did mount lifecycle method. So component did mount. Third step. So here this dot input ref dot current dot focus, save. Finally export default refs component, and now in the app.js let's import this. So import refs component from component ref component and use it inside return, save. Go back to browser. You can see we have an input and you can see the focus is already there. And if I comment this out, then if I reload it, you see there is no focus. When I click on it, then this focus comes inside this. So let's undo this. So this is how you can create your ref. Now let's see how we can retrieve the value of this particular input using refs. So for that, let's use a button and get value, give a on click event handler. So this dot get value, let's copy this and create this event handler. So get value, and this will be a arrow function, and simply alert this dot input ref dot current dot value, save. Now go back to browser, let's give any value, let's say my name, and click on get value. You see, we are successfully able to get the value using refs. All right. So this is pretty much the basics of refs in React.js. I hope this session is helpful to all of you. And in the next video, I'll talk about forwarding refs. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.